This is our Samsung dryer, right? And here are all the different things you can do. You can go very dry, you can go more dry, you can go normal, you can go damp dry, and it's up to you which one you're gonna pick. You got, time dry, quick dry, air fluff, wrinkle release. Over here it tells you a little bit more, high, medium, low, blah, 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 temperature, so forth and so on. But the way you get it going, first of all, you got to put all your stuff in there. So we threw a bunch of sheets in there. We did clean this out, made sure there was no lint in it. Oh, there's a little bit of lint in there. Might need to clean that. Let's do that. Let's clean that little bit of lint out. I'm going to grab my handy dandy Dyson, suck that lint out of there. You know what I mean, jelly beans? It's always good to do that. Just get all the lint off if you can. There's not much on here, but you don't want any. Now when you put it in, you got to put this part this way. So I got to slide it in like that. Okay, that's in there. Now we've got our sheets in there, right? Let's move this out of the way. All right, so now here we are. We got to power it up. So we're going to press power. And it's going to light up. And it's showing me what I've got it on. Right now I've got it on normal dry. If I wanted to go damp dry, I could drop it down one. If I wanted to go more dry, I could go there. But let's just leave it on normal, right? And then once we're good with that, it's got medium temperature, right? I mean, I could go high, extra low, low. I'm going to stick with medium, right? And then I'm just going to come over here. I'm just going to press this button, and it's going to do its thing. Bam. Now it's going to dry. And we don't have to think about it. We just come back in a half hour or so, and it should be ready to go. All right, and that's basically how you do it with the Samsung moisture sensor dryer. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Oh, by the way, it's the door's down here. It's not on top.